Hello, welcome to Accessorize Your Life. You're in my kitchen and I am about to assemble a salad, and it is going to be a Greek salad. Now, it's probably not your most traditional Greek salad because I have chopped feta cheese instead of chunks of cheddar cheese, and I just might add a bit of lettuce to it. We really like to get our greens in some way, or as much as possible, so some way or another. And what else is different about this salad? Well, there's two options here. Sometimes I use the extra virgin olive oil, the red wine vinegar, and the seasonings to make my dressing. Or sometimes I just buy a Greek vinaigrette and use that for my dressing of this salad. So we'll see. I may do a combination, whereas I'll use the spices and add it to the already prepared Greek vinaigrette or dressing. But I'm not sure about the lettuce yet, so I may add it. It's just, I'm just gonna do what I like as I go along. But I'm going to chop up my cucumber there and chop up my onions, and then I'll be back to put it all together. Oh yeah, and the bell pepper. So stay tuned. Okay, we're back with everything chopped up. I've chopped up the green peppers right here. I've chopped up the cucumbers, and I even went through and made like a ribbon effect with the with the cucumbers, as you can see, and the red onions. I have olives, feta cheese, and tricolor tomatoes. So I'm just going to put everything into a bowl. I have a larger bowl, but I'm thinking I'm going to add lettuce to this salad, which a traditional, pick up everything, put it into this bowl. A traditional Greek salad does not have lettuce, but we want lettuce in our salad today. So there are the vegetables, the chopped vegetables. I'm going to use the olives as they are, the tomatoes as they are, and I'll wait on the feta cheese. And for this recipe, I am just going to go ahead and use the bottled Greek dressing. But like I said, you could very well mix together your own dressing. Okay, I have my vinaigrette or salad dressing open already, but I realized I had some oil left over from a previous vinaigrette that we poured off of the bottle because it was just too much oil. So I'm going to go ahead and use that oil in this salad. Go ahead and use it all. I don't want to waste it. And then I'm going to add black pepper. Get you over here so you can see this. I'm going to add a little bit of red wine vinegar. Shake it up. Put a little bit in the cap. Pour that in. And next I want to add oregano. And I'm just going to shake it in. And then I'm going to put the lid on this and shake it out. Here is what the salad looks like once I have put it all together, mixed it by shaking it. I am going to show you here. I already have a bowl full of chopped lettuce with a little carrots and what else is in this salad? It's a romaine lettuce with carrots and radicchio, and it was something else. So what I think I'm going to do is just go ahead and put this in here together. Put it all together. Toss it up. This is not your traditional Greek salad, but it's how we like to eat ours because we like to have as much green vegetable as we can get. I think I'm losing some. Yep. I always tell you that my countertop has been washed and cleaned. So if I drop something on my countertop, I will put it right in my bowl. And there you have it. to which I am going to sprinkle my feta cheese, which is here. I'm going to sprinkle the feta cheese on top. And again, mix it up. Now, if anyone wants more feta cheese or more dressing, they can add it to the salad. But this is it. Thank you for joining me for Julia Cooks. There is Greek salad done my way. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.